Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to repost on TikTok. So the very first thing to do is to launch your TikTok application, tap this one, and always make sure that you are using the current version of TikTok, or shall I say that your TikTok is up to date. So here it is. Let's just say that you wanted to repost this post from someone. So all you have to do is to tap this share button here. And as you can see, the yellow one, we have here repost. So in order to repost a post, you just have to tap this yellow and it will be reposted on your TikTok. So to see if it's successfully reposted on your account, you just have to tap your profile in the fourth option or feature there. It is a repost icon. Okay, you can see here the videos that you reposted. You can watch it again or comment or share it to your other social media platform or share it to your friends. Or you can repost more videos if you want. You just have to scroll and tap the share icon and repost a video. Now, let's just say you don't want that video anymore and you don't want people to see that video on your account. You can remove your repost. All you have to do is to go back to your profile, tap that reposted video, tap the share icon, and you can see there removed repost. Tap that one, and you cannot see your reposted video anymore or on your account. That's how easy it is. So if you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.